so we're gonna go through everything. This is the D1026-S. I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. Inch Smart Screen Player by Asure. I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. I want to go through everything that it comes with. This is the mount that it comes with right here, which is a suction cup. They also have a suction cup mount right here where you can 3M that down. It does come with a Type-C to cigarette lighter right here, and it does come with a USB out of it, which is pretty awesome. They have like a little mount right here for your rear view, the rear camera right there. That's the screws and everything, and a screwdriver for it. They also give you an aux cord, which is pretty cool. And then over here is your rear view camera, which comes, it's already plugged in right here, and then it has a power. You just power that up to be able to activate this. And then here is the actual screen itself. And it does, I'll flip it around and kind of show you. It does have a front facing camera, which is pretty cool that it has that. And this thing actually swivels. You can actually swivel this up and down like that. And you can swivel it up like that. You can kind of move it around. And that one you can screw down, or it does have 3M tape on it as well. Now this unit has a power button on the top. So we'll go ahead and power this up and kind of show you, but everything, we want to make a video showing everything that it does come with so you guys can see all the products and accessories it does come with. Also has an SD card, which is pretty awesome. So it can record everything as a like driving cam as well. So you have a driving cam built in and it can record into this SD card right here. Things I want to show you is this bad boy moves up and down for the front facing camera, which is pretty cool. You can move that up and down. That's awesome. And then over here, we're gonna plug our USB Type-C in. We're gonna plug that into our cigarette lighter where we can turn that on. It does have a SD card slot, an AV-in slot for your rear view, and then over here an aux-in slot. So those are the slots that you have on this. And then we have our power button on the top. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on. That bad boy lights up right there. This should come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Quality looks good. That's a positive. Boom. That looks nice. So we've got our camera right here. We've got it plugged in. Let's throw 12 volts to it and see what possibly happens. Boom. Oh yeah, there we go. Quality looks really good on that bad boy. All right, so that's awesome. So I'm just throwing 12 volts to this red wire and it is plugged into, boom, right there, the audio video, which is underneath the USB Type-C. That's just running right there to our little camera. And that's what it looks like. Quality looks awesome. I mean, these little cameras, they're getting better and better with the quality. So what makes this one a little bit different than some of the other units that I've done reviews on is this one has a main screen. Some of the other ones I've used, they don't have a main screen. So you're stuck at whatever, you know, that you have. Now, I've not used this before, so I'm guessing that this is the home button right here. That's probably what this all is here. I'm guessing this is the front facing. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow, that is cool. Whoa, is it doing both? Come on here. Is it automatically? What the world? Oh my gosh. So it can power up. I'm gonna move this. That is insane. So you can power up this rear view camera right here. You can power that up by just pushing the thing, and you can do both. How did I get it to do that? Okay, what in the world how did I get it to do? There we go. So you can do both. You can have the front facing camera, which is what this is right here. That's my hand right there. Okay. So you got the front facing camera and then the rear view, and then you can swipe across, do front facing only, or you can swipe across and do the rear view. That is awesome. So if we swipe up from the bottom, we can go back to home. That is amazing. Like that right there is the biggest selling technique for this. That is definitely one of the best selling features on this, because for a person like me that wants a rear view camera or a driving camera, you can literally click that bad boy, be able to have your rear view there, click over, you could have both front and rear, click over again, have front, and then click over again and have rear. That is awesome. And it's got an SD card built in for all that. So then we come up over to here, go to home, bam, there you go. So that definitely is the biggest selling point. I can tell you that's going to be great for this particular unit. Unit also has a power button that you can turn it off. Click it again, turn it right back on. So that is awesome. Let's go to volume is set right here. We can go to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if we go to Android Auto, confirm, and that's going to try to pair this device. So let me try to pair this device and I'll come back and show you what happens. Okay, so this particular unit, okay, this will let me play music as well. So this one will let me play music while I'm recording. So that's pretty awesome. So right here, you've got all this going right here. So you can play your music. The quality of the screen looks awesome. I turned up the brightness because it was pretty low, but the quality of the screen is really nice. So if we go over here, we can just pause that. So the speaker is not very loud. It's about as loud as a cell phone speaker, not quite as loud because it's on the back side, but I don't think you're gonna really use that. Now, I wanna see if we can Bluetooth from the phone here to this and to the unit of the car. So that'll be the kicker, is if it will allow me to Bluetooth, because I'm not sure if it'll do that. Now, the other thing I like about this is I can click this guy right here and I can go right to home right from there. I like that. I don't have to keep disconnecting things. This is the settings menu right here, and it's got all these different things for the camera you can change for, like record resolution, segment of duration, you know, collision sensitivity, reverse line calibration, rear view mirror. You can probably change that. So this has got a lot. I mean, it's got a lot in this thing. I mean, honestly, this is, you can do split screen mode, left or right hand. I mean, this is insane. This has got a lot of stuff. This particular unit has where you can use the speaker inside, which is on the back. You can use Bluetooth audio, where you can connect this to the head, this basically whatever you use in your phone to the vehicle, and then you can also control it through here. So basically it'll run simultaneously, so you can connect your phone to this Bluetooth and then to the car Bluetooth, and it will display it here but play it through the car. And then FM, you have an FM transmit frequency, and then it will play it through the car's radio. Quality is probably not going to be the best, but that's, some people only have that option. And then you also have aux-in. So you just plug this aux-in cable right here into the unit on the side, and then you'll plug that into your aux-in, and then that's going to give you the best quality out of all of them, but not everybody has an aux-in, so that's the issue. So I'm now using this casting, so it's watching me through here. So I'm casting this. You can cast your Android phone or Apple phone to this, and it will mirror cast onto here. It's awesome. So you can play videos onto here. I'm recording through this phone, but I'm playing the Bluetooth through my radio, and I'm playing a video on here with screen mirroring. It has screen mirroring onto this. You can use the screen mirroring app to play YouTube videos onto here. Once I go into full size mode, it won't let me do it, but you can do that. You can screen mirror on your Apple or Android phone onto this particular unit, which is awesome. I wanted to show you what it looks like in the car. One of my USB Type-Cs will work, the other one won't. It could be because one's too powerful and one's not enough, but here's what it looks like comparable to if I go to my 24 Honda Accord screen compared to this screen. It is a little bit smaller, but the quality looks just as good, if not better. So I have to admit, the quality on this and the main menu on this is absolutely amazing. So we just plugged in our power plug, and then on the back side it has our camera right there, boom. So if we wanted to film anything, I believe we could just go to our camera right there, boom. And then we've got our front camera. And then that'll show us what we're looking at in the front right there. and that will save to the SD card. And then it also has the rear view camera, which I don't have that plugged in right now. So it's pretty awesome. You have a full driving cam. You can go back here too, and then click on home. Boom. This thing is awesome. It's got a lot more features than all the other ones I've ever used.